System Administration and Maintenance.
Good day everyone, this is Angelique Mahidlaon. In this video, I'll be representing to all of you my web application system architecture. Let me show you a diagram that represents a web application architecture that's basically help us to discover about how front-end, back-end, and database parts of the web app works together. So please, get along with me and let's break it down step by step based on what's shown in the screen. In this diagram, these three layers work together to handle user interactions, data processing, and information storage through API communication. So in the screen, you can see the client-side front-end Nuxt.js there. The main role of this is to provide a dynamic and user-friendly interface. It is built using Nuxt.js, a framework for Vue.js. It is also responsible for what users see and interact with. It can send requests to the backend using Axios or Fetch API and displays data received from the backend, like login page, forms, dashboards, and report. Next is the server-side backend Laravel. The main role of it is to process requests, manage data, and send structured responses, usually in JSON. It is built using Laravel, a PHP-based framework, and can act as bridge between the front end and the database. It can handle business logic, validation, and authentication, and provides API endpoints like logging in or POS for the front end. Lastly, this is what we call database. It is to securely store and retrieve application data such as user accounts, posts, and transactions. It can communicate only with the backend, and the Laravel interacts with the database using Eloquent ORM or Object Relational Mapper. Now, let's proceed to the network architecture design. This network design diagram uses a hierarchical model to segment the local area network or the LAN into two distinct subnets corresponding to two physical locations, which is floor 1 and floor 2. Now, the principles of architectural design. The segmentation or subnetting, where the network is logically segmented into two subnets. Please take a look to the floor 1 in the diagram where it shows IP address 192.168.10.0/24, and the floor 2 shows IP address 192.168.20.0/24. It improves traffic management and allows for distinct security policies per floor. Hierarchy is the design follows a top-down structure from internet to router, router to switches, switches to end devices. The router handles communication between the subnets and the outside world, while the switches handle communication within a subnet. In short, the architecture is a two-level switch network that uses the router to connect two separate layers and three subnets, which is floor 1 and 2, to each other and to the internet. It's a pleasure to share it with you, my knowledge about web application system architecture and network architecture design as well. That would be all. Thank you for watching.